guys, welcome back to the Wagner bench. We've had a kind of chaotic morning. Woke up, our water's frozen at the campground. It's 27 degrees. So that's just something that comes with it sometimes. And then we have to have laundry done. Our laundry's been piled up the last few days. We have to go get some change, and then we have to go to our laundromat here at the campground and get some laundry done. And then we're gonna try to get a Walmart. But yeah, just tag along with us this morning. And if you do like this kind of content, it was kind of like vlogging with us as our family of 9. We have 7 children, and we're staying in the campgrounds for my husband's work. We travel all over the United States. We just don't know where we're going to go sometimes. We've been to so many states. But if you like this kind of content, don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments down in the comment section below. Thank you. Okay guys, we got our quarters, so now we're going to head over to the laundry room and get all our laundry done today. So.
There you go.
Alright y'all, we're here at Walmart. We have a snowstorm coming in Virginia. We're supposed to be getting like 3 to 8 inches of snow or something like that. So we are completely out of diapers and water and all the essentials. So we're here going.
I told you I think.
Taste it! Oh, there's water. Let's show all the water. Be like.
I think
446.
This one we need for you. Just feel. Lila, jump in.
Wait.
There's coffee. No, you sit actually sit the bug ball too. How do I get in? Just sit on the
Brown sugar sweet cream. That sounds really good. Okay guys, now let me forget toilet paper and trash bags. Okay guys, we're gonna get our toilet paper. What do you think? Trash bags. We forgot trash bags. Baby's box.
Hey, so you back to 3 years old?
Yeah, we don't. Alright, so there's this. Oh yeah, the instant coffee.
She has to have her instant coffee.
Instant ice.
Instant ice.
Mom.
Ice.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay, we're gonna try the cinnamon dulce, or however you say it. I never say it right.
They're almost sold out of everything. They only have a little bit of bread for thousands of people here. Like, I'm looking over there, there's like an empty shelf. They're running out of food.
Everybody's panic shopping.
Yeah, everybody's panic shopping for tomorrow. There's supposed to be like 3 inches of snow everywhere.
We're gonna get some bananas. And they're always good.
Hey y'all, we just got out of the Walmart. It was like an hour-long line.
Hey y'all, we had to make a Target run really quick. I forgot some things at Walmart, but we're getting this code foam. We have a snowstorm coming, so I gotta make sure I'm stocked up with my coffee stuff because I can't make my Starbucks run. And then I grabbed my dry shampoo. And then we are trying these 3-pack tumblers of straws. There's Zach Smiles, which is a really good deal on there, $6.49. So I think this would be great to make some iced coffees in. Hey y'all, we're back from Walmart in our Target run. I'm going to try to make this iced coffee. I've never used any of this stuff before, so I'll give you my rating on it. But we're going to be having a snowstorm down here in Virginia, so I'm really wanting to try this and see how it tastes because I'm not able to make it to my Starbucks run. Alright, baby's hungry, so So bear with me. So I pour in just a little bit of water. It says like 6 ounces or so, but I just kind of do whatever my heart pleases. So since we added the water, I'm going to try this instant espresso. It says about a teaspoon for 6 ounces, but I don't know. I'm just going to kind of measure. Might do 2. I like mine kind of a little strong. Alright. Pause it. Alright, now that we added our instant espresso, I'm going to add our ice. And now I'm going to try this new creamer. I've never seen it at Walmart before till tonight. But I've seen it on Facebook Reels and different things like this. But it's the brown sugar sweet cream from Starbucks. So, and that's like my favorite drink from Starbucks is their brown sugar oatmeal shaken espressos. So we're going to pour some of that in it. It matches your little heart desires. Now we're going to add some of these skinny mixes. They're like my favorite syrups. And this one is 0 calories, 0 sugars with the cinnamon dulce, or however you say that. I cannot say that word ever. Every time I go to Starbucks, it's never right. So we're going to add a little bit, just as much as your heart desires too. We're going to give that a good stir. And then, I've never tried this, and this one's from Target. It's salted caramel coat time. So we're going to top it off with this. Looks good. And then that. Oh yeah. That's really good. That's real good. Y'all love that. My kids and my husband are gonna survive this winter storm because Mama's got her cough.